Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to watch history on TikTok by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the TikTok application. Let's open it until we are generated into the home page. If we can check it over here. If the features in a white color, it will be in active mode, which is we are in the sections. Okay, and after we already in a home section, please take a look on the right upper corner here. There is a search button. Just click it and then we will be generated into search features or search tools, and after that go into the see more. Now you can access about the history of the video that you searched before on a TikTok. You can scroll down and find out what actually that you watch on TikTok before, and then after that you will also have a recommendation from TikTok about something is happening this day on a TikTok. You can also take a look on it, but yeah, if you only like looking for the history of the video that you searched before, you already here. So that's all the way how you watch a history on a TikTok. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.